Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just this home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible on screen, like home screen is for me, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up. It gives you the scroll and send option. Now the scroll option would be accessible in areas where you can actually scroll down, like settings. As you can see, we can scroll down here, so you are able to capture a longer version of a screenshot. So anything that you see right here, and it will then start scrolling, and you can stop it at any point to capture anything from the top to whatever point you scrolled it down to. Which actually, I'm gonna showcase this. I'm already in here. As you can see, it starts scrolling. I can tap on the screen to stop it, and I can scroll it down myself. Then once I press on done and the check mark right here, this will save it to my gallery application. Now let's find gallery. So typically you would be under Photos tab right here, and this will show you your screenshots. But later on, if you want to come back to a screenshot down the line and you have more content visible right here, I recommend navigating into the albums and then screenshots and screen recordings album. Then select screenshots, and here you can see the two screenshots that I have captured. So this is the long one, and here is just the normal one. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.